Okay, now let's see if this will work better. Now you can see Mount Fuji at a distance, and unfortunately that over there is a trash disposal plant, and now you're going to see me. Just a moment, please. Okay, hello everybody. I'm very happy to see you now. Actually, you're seeing me, and I would like to say hi and that I love you very much. Kaylin, Amber, Chris, Simon, whoever else, Liz and Mary and Sarah and Melissa and Paul Eric and everyone. I'm so happy that I can say that in person, and I'm very much looking forward to see you soon, guys. And I hope that you have a lot of fun today and tomorrow and the whole month of December, and that I see many smiling faces when I meet you in Mexico. I love you and I wish you a great day. Bye.